Hey everybody, did you know that barley has a lot of health benefits? Well, this organic barley leaf juice drink mix has everything you need. It's the easy path to loading up on youth enhancing, muscle building, immune strengthening, including all proteins, all 8 essential amino acids and minerals, and the whole range of vitamins. So what are you waiting for? Try it now!
Isa sa mga goals natin, yung magkabahay, di ba, magkakotse, mag-travel, at higit sa lahat magkaroon ng ipon. Pero dapat may goal ka din na magkaroon ng pangkabuhayan. Or looking for an extra income or want to start a part-time income? Alam mo ba na ang pagiging JC authorized wholesaler at dropshipper is made simpler for you? Trust me. Sobrang simple lang ito gawin. Dahil dito, you don't have to worry about your rental expense, monthly dues, and physical store. Ang kailangan mo lang ay ang iyong cellphone at internet. At kahit nasa bahay ka lang, pwede ka na mag-part-time at magkaroon ng extra income. The good thing about this is hindi mo na kailangan humanap pa ng suppliers dahil simple lang magkaroon ng extra income at part-time, di ba?
Eating Carrot celebrates their 25th silver anniversary.
Thank you, Shomai King! Salamat sa pag-anniversary sa amin. Thank you so much, Shomai King!
Congratulations, Eating Carrot!
Hi, I'm Catherine Ann Villanueva. Actually, I'm still working. I'm doing this business part-time. So, I'm the first and only Filipino aviation pursuit instructor in the Philippines. Today, it's 17,820. This is my 1-week income. So, malaking tulong yung ating JC wallet or yung ating check dito, no? So, bilang solo parent, of course, so napakahirap magtaguyod ng mga anak. So, ito napakalaking bagay. Yan. So, sa mga naghahanap ng mga extra income, yan, additional business or work, so pwede kayo dito.
Hi, I'm Sherry Rose Estebal. Currently, I'm working as crew coordinator sa isang shipping agency. Doing this part-time, nagka-income po ako ng 59,400. Kung ikaw naghahanap pa ng business, no, na gusto mong simulan, ito, very doable. Me as currently working, kaya-kaya ko siyang isabay. So, simulan mo na.